for tuning into Mommy and Me.
Hello,
So today, on our Halloween edition, we have some very spooky stuff. We are making invisible ink. And we're making it out of normal household things like
baking soda
and
water.
baking soda and water.
Whatever you have in your house.
Whatever you have in your house.
Whatever you have in your own house.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, what they said. Okay, listen to the materials. We need baking soda and water to make our invisible ink. We're gonna mix them together and we're gonna write in Q-tips on the paper. You ready? And Q-tip. You want a Q-tip? Okay. You want a Q-tip? Okay, hold that. All right. So we're gonna mix the baking soda.
Me.
Okay. Wait, Kinsley. All right, pour your water in. Equal parts baking soda and water to make like a little soup, a baking soda water solution. We're gonna, oh, great job. That was a great job. And we're gonna stir. I'm gonna stir.
Can I stir too?
You wanna help me stir? You can stir with your Q-tip. Stir with your Q-tip. Get your Q-tip.
Chris, you want to stir with the spoon?
You wanna stir with the spoon? Okay, let's see. Okay, go. And so we're gonna write while she's stirring and she's mixing. We're gonna write on our paper with our new invisible ink. We're gonna write a secret message or a secret drawing, whatever we like.
Whatever we like in our own house.
Yes. So I drew one earlier that's off drying.
And I drew one earlier too.
And they drew one earlier too. In your own house. All right, I think we're good. And you write your secret message. Easy breezy.
And that's it. We made ink.
We made invisible ink. You see that? Okay, so the next part, to reveal our invisible ink, everybody say, ooh. Say, ah. So, I'll give you the secret. The secret is turmeric. Turmeric. Yes. So, Kinsley, can you pour the turmeric into the bowl? And it's about 2 tablespoons of turmeric and equal parts of rubbing alcohol.
Rubbing
Put it right there.
Me.
Your turn? Okay. All right. Thank you. And then we're gonna mix. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but we have a tablecloth down. We have a You can mix, of course. We have a tablecloth down because the turmeric. You want some?
I'm gonna win.
Okay. All right. Hey, not too messy. I don't know if you can tell, but we have a tablecloth down because the turmeric can stain surfaces. And look, come zoom in. I want you to see them reveal the magic pictures. Let's see. Put it right here. Paint it. Paint your picture. Look. You want some dip? Okay, here. Look, my hands are already colored. But look. What's your picture?
There. We're painting.
What does yours say?
A painting. Mine says a painting. It's time to go to a painting. Mommy,
I think you're supposed this way.
Mommy, a painting.
You're painting?
Maybe it's a heart. It's a heart. It's a heart.
Ooh, look at mine. What does that look like?
Maybe it's a ghost.
You think it's a ghost?
No, it's not a ghost. It's a pumpkin.
It's a pumpkin.
No,
That lives in the field.
pumpkin.
What does yours say? Finish painting.
Pumpkin.
Well, now, friends, it's time to clean up. 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 So, today we made
Chemical reaction.
and we made invisible.
Ink.
We made some pumpkins with some bats, a spooky ghosts and even some really scary handprints. So hopefully you'll be doing this activity at home because now it's time to clean up. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in to Mommy and Me.
The listeners.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends. See you tomorrow, friends.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Mommy and Me. Mommy and Me. Mommy and Me. Mommy and Me. Come with us and explore STEM and science and so much more. Come on, let's take a flight with the listeners all day and night. So much for you to do with Mommy, Chrissy, and Kinsley too. Come along and you'll see. In 1, 2, 3. Mommy and Me.